What's up guys, Sal here. So smartphones have been pretty boring for a long time when we talk about their designs. It just feels like we haven't seen any truly innovative phone designs in a very long while. The S23 Ultra looks almost exactly like the S22 Ultra, which looks similar to the Note 20 Ultra. If we talk about the iPhones and the Pixel phones, then things are even bad. The same is the case in foldables. The Z Fold 5 will look identical to the Z Fold 4, which looks similar to the Z Fold 3. And honestly, I don't blame these companies because there are only so many ways to design a smartphone because they're all a piece of slab with a full screen up front. So the only change they could do is to redesign the camera module, but unfortunately these changes can only take the design so far, and in the end it all looks the same. So what I'm trying to say is smartphones have plateaued when it comes to design, and that's what we could see with the Galaxy S24 lineup as well. According to early rumors, the design of the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will remain the same as the S23 with individual camera lenses at the back and punch hole display up front. And to be honest, I'm not really surprised because Samsung uses the same design for its flagship smartphones for at least 2 years. However, some slight modifications could be made to differentiate the S24 series from the S23 series. Now about the Galaxy S24 Ultra, since it's gonna feature one less camera because they're using a continuous zoom camera which negates the need for an extra 3x telephoto sensor, the design of the S24 Ultra could look like this. This is a concept and not a final design, but honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if this is indeed the final design because, as I've said, they can only do so much with a piece of glass. Anyway, Ice Universe has already revealed that we're not gonna see any new hardware with the main camera of the S24 Ultra. Samsung will stick with the 200 megapixel sensor. The only new thing we're gonna see with the camera is gonna be the continuous zoom camera. But this doesn't mean the quality of the main camera will remain the same. This tipster says the S24 Ultra will get a massive camera improvement primarily through improved software. Interestingly, he claims to have already seen promising results from test versions of the software running on the S23 Ultra. He also says the Z Flip 5 looks amazing in real life. To be honest, the S23 Ultra already has the best camera hardware out there, so I don't think there is a need to upgrade it just a year later. But good software optimization can do wonders to turn a good picture into a looker. Glad that Samsung is working on just that with the S24 Ultra. Of course, for all the latest updates on the S24, please be sure to subscribe. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.